Hi, welcome to Shake Inside. Today we are going to learn about something very important in the world of investing, valuation and P by E ratio. Don't worry, I will make it easy for you to understand. Let's imagine a coffee shop business. Four of my friends have invested a total of 2 crore rupee in this coffee shop. It's doing really well and makes 1 crore rupee in sales every year. After deducting expenses of 80 lakh, they are left with a profit of 20 lakh. They share this profit equally among themselves. Now, one of my friend is going abroad and wanted to sell his share for 70 lakh. Here's where you come in. Would you buy a share? How would you know if it is a good value and good investment? Well, we can apply some valuation principle to find out. One of these principles is the price to earning ratio, also known as P by E ratio. This helps determine whether a stock or business is considered cheap or expensive. To calculate P by E ratio, we need to find the earning per share. It is shortly called as EPS. Since the profit is divided equally among the four friends, we divide the profit by the number of shares, which is 4 in this case. So the EPS is 5 lakh per share. Now if my friend wanted to sell his share for 70 lakh, we can calculate the P by E ratio by dividing the offer price by the EPS. In this case, 70 lakh divided by 5 lakh, and the result is 14. So the P by E ratio is 14. This tells the valuation of the share. But wait, there is more. P by E ratio alone does not tell how long it will take to recover our investment. To estimate that, we can look at the payback period, assuming a consistent profit of 5 lakh per share annually. We can divide the initial investment of 70 lakh by the annual profit of 5 lakh. It would take approximately 14 years to recover the initial investment through the annual profit alone. Remember, evaluating investment involves considering many factors, and P by E ratio is just one tool in the valuation process. There are other ratios to consider as well, which we can talk about it later. I hope this explanation helped you understand about the P by E ratio and its calculation. It is important to know that investing in a public traded company involves more than just the P by E ratio. Factors like historical performance, industry trend, management quality, and market condition should also be considered for a well-informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For more informative content, feel free to leave your comment and question below. Happy investing and see you next time.